Hello everybody and welcome to Bird of the Week. We're here in our Chewonki woods to talk about our Chewonki bird, the osprey. An amazing raptor soaring overhead with that sharp curved beak for ripping and tearing into meat, those talons for grasping their prey. But if you're looking for these birds, they're probably not going to be close enough, hopefully, that you can see those features. They're going to be soaring above in the sky, so you're going to want to look for the color and the shape of these birds to identify them. Look for that beautiful black and white coloration that really makes them stand out from other raptors. Sometimes they'll have a tan or brown coloring when they're a little younger, especially, but that black and white feature is going to make them very striking birds. And if you're close enough, you'll notice their eyes can be pumpkin orange and sometimes darker into a light brown coloration. Now, when they're riding the skies high above, their wings are out extended in a big, broad wing display. And those are broad, passive soaring birds, just like eagles and vultures. You can see their primary feathers, like little fingers, sticking out, helping them ride the thermals over the land and ignore air currents. Their wings are a little longer than those birds, though, and that kind of plays into their connection with the sea and the water. Their habitat is going to be anywhere near large bodies of water, so they can hunt their prey. They're carnivores, mostly. Always, actually. And they're using that sharp, curved beak and those long, impressive talons to swoop down and grasp fish right out of the water. Their talons are hooked like a fish hook, and they have these special grippy pads on the underside of their feet that are going to allow them to hold on to those slippery fish. It's kind of like a non-slip grip glove, if you're ever doing dishes. It helps them to not lose the grip that they have on their prey as they pull them up and bring them to the very large nests near the water's edge, up in tall trees or telephone poles or large trusses built by the water. Amazing. The call of the osprey is a little bit high-pitched. You might confuse it sometimes for certain gulls. It's got a large, whistly pronouncement to it, and it sounds a little bit like this. Osprey, like many raptors, are altricial, which means their babies are a little bit more defenseless. They need their parents to care for them as they learn how to survive and thrive in their environment. So compare that to precocial young, like a lot of mammals that pop out ready to go, precocious little scamps. These altricial birds are going to be protected in their big nests as their nestlings, their parents grabbing food for them, bringing them back, and defending the area. If you see these nests, admire them, appreciate them from afar, but make sure that you're giving them their space and respecting that distance. You may even see some signs saying that these nest sites are protected. So when you go out and check out these beautiful birds, go ahead and appreciate them from a distance, appreciate your summer, and I hope you have a great week. Stay kind and curious out there, and until next time,